Welcome to this lesson on biomass pyramids. In ecology, understanding how mass is distributed across different trophic levels helps us comprehend energy flow through ecosystems. Biomass pyramids are a powerful tool for visualizing the total living material present at each level of the food chain. Let's start with the basics. Biomass refers to the total mass of all living organisms at a specific trophic level in an ecosystem. This includes plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. When we measure biomass, we're essentially measuring how much living material exists at each feeding level in the food chain. Biomass is measured in grams per square meter. Scientists typically measure dry mass rather than wet mass. Why? Because water content can vary dramatically between organisms, making comparisons unreliable. By removing water, we get an accurate measure of the actual organic material present in living tissues. A typical biomass pyramid has 4 trophic levels. At the base, we have producers like plants and algae, which have the largest biomass. Above them are primary consumers, the herbivores that eat plants. Next comes secondary consumers, carnivores that eat herbivores. At the top are tertiary consumers, top predators with the smallest biomass. Notice how the pyramid narrows as we move upward. Here's the fundamental principle. Biomass decreases as you move up trophic levels. But why does this happen? The answer lies in energy transfer efficiency. Only about 10% of energy successfully transfers from one level to the next. This means each higher level can support progressively less living material than the level below it. However, nature always has exceptions. In aquatic ecosystems, we sometimes see inverted biomass pyramids. Phytoplankton, the microscopic producers, have very low biomass at any given moment. Yet they reproduce so rapidly that they support much larger biomasses of consumers above them. Their high productivity compensates for their small biomass. 2 main factors cause biomass to decrease up the pyramid. First, energy loss through heat occurs during respiration and metabolism. Every organism burns energy just to stay alive. Second, incomplete transfer happens because not all biomass gets consumed, and not everything consumed gets digested and absorbed. Much material becomes waste or remains uneaten. To summarize, biomass pyramids illustrate the total living mass at each trophic level. They typically show a decrease moving upward due to inefficient energy transfer between levels. Understanding these pyramids helps us grasp how ecosystems function and why top predators are always less abundant than organisms lower in the food chain.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.